Here is how I learned data engineering if I could start over. First, I would start with Python. It's nice, simple, easy for beginners programming language, and also it's the most popular programming language in the data area. After you're good with Python, I mean, loops, so basic data structure classes, all that stuff, you should start learning either pandas or polars to be able to process and analyze data. You'll learn concepts like data frames, you'll clean data, and do some pet projects with that. Then I would suggest you to move to SQL, structured query language, learn the syntax, practice, do a lot of tasks, coding samples, coding examples. You can just Google practice SQL and whatever you find, just do all the exercises until you're comfortable with it. And also, as a part of that SQL knowledge node, learn about databases, relational databases, NoSQL databases, the differences, why would you choose one over another in certain situations, learn about data modeling inside relational databases. And then you should move on to data warehouses, learn about concepts like OLTP versus OLAP, sign up for free trials in some modern data warehouses like BigQuery or Snowflake or whatever you choose, and get some hands-on experience there. And at that point, you should have an understanding how data warehouse is different from the relational or NoSQL database, and why do data warehouses exist, why don't everyone just use relational or SQL database. Then you should move to Spark and distributed compute. I specifically mentioned distributed compute separately because Spark is just a technology that utilizes the distributed compute and distributed storage to process huge amounts of data. So yeah, big data has specifically this knowledge node. After you have learned all of that, just get familiar with data engineering concept of ETL and ELT, extract, transform, load, extract, load, transform data pipelines, because that's the main thing that data engineers do during day-to-day job. And once you have an understanding of that, do a milestone project in the cloud. Pick one of the top cloud providers, Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud, and build full data pipeline in the cloud end-to-end, from data extraction, then transform it, then load it to data warehouse, and maybe even do some transformations inside the data warehouse. With that, you would have a foundational knowledge to start applying to entry-level job positions, and actually a project that you can show off during the interviews. And then while you're applying, just keep learning, because there is so much more that you need to know as a data engineer. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.